Morning. Tell me, what do you do when you wake up? I officially woke up at 4:15 so I could export the video and start uploading it. And what do you do when computer suddenly froze mid exporting? Nothing, exactly. You leave the computer be. And I'm sorry if yesterday's video was slid, but I can't help it. I can't force my computer to not freeze during exporting. That's why I usually do that before I go to sleep. But unfortunately I fell asleep before clicking the button called export. And I slept well. I slept really, really well. I cannot complain about that. And I even went out from the house sooner than usual because I knew that the window would be frozen, my windshield, and yeah, I was planning ahead. You could say something like that. I don't know why, but I have a cough today. I'm coughing like crazy, and I hate that, like a lot. I could say I hate it a lot. Anyway, I think it's freezingly cold again. Yes, it's 0.5 degrees Celsius. It's not 0, it's not 1, it's 0.5. Yoo-hoo! I know that by the time I'm gonna get to my workplace, it's gonna be 3-4 degrees Celsius, because it's warmer, because I live on top of a hill, and that is in the valley, so can't wait for the winter. I mean, I don't mind if it's snow all around, but not on the road. I'm like that. I love the snow, just not on the road or on top of my car. That's for me, and for me alone. My car, not for the snow. And the fog continues. Yes, it's foggy. See? Yeah, you can see a little bit. The fog is still present, but there's a plus side. The sun is showing as well, so apparently it's gonna be like this the whole week. I mean, it's almost over the week. It's already Wednesday. Can you stop, please? Thank you. So yeah, and apparently in Friday there is gonna be a chestnut picnic with parents and us and the kids from the group where I spend most of the time. So yeah, interesting, I have to say. Not a lot of things will happen today probably, but I know there's one thing happening. I'm having the aerobics class today, and if the sun will be still present at 5 o'clock in the afternoon when I'm gonna get back home, I'm gonna go again for the afternoon walk. And this time I'm gonna ask my dad if he wants to tag along, because yesterday he was super bummed because I didn't told him that I'm going for a walk. Apparently he would join me if I would ask him. So I'm gonna ask him today if he would want to. Why not? But if he does go with me, you won't get any glimpses. But I might post a short snap on my Snapchat follow me there and you might see it. Wow, I'm sorry, yesterday's video was uploaded late. It's not even 10 minutes long, and it was causing me problems while it was exporting, as I was saying in the morning. And now it's causing problems while it's uploading. I started this the moment I get home. I saw that the video was exported. I checked it out. It was okay. I start to upload it, and now that I left work after 2 hours, mine in fact it was uploading for 2 hours, 120 minutes. We are still at 82%. It was when I left, and it said it still needed 116 minutes, so that's another 2 more hours, and only 18% left to go. And the only thing open with that was my Twitter, not my Facebook, not any other YouTube pages, videos or anything, just Twitter and YouTube uploading page. And I wasn't even in my room. The computer was alone all the time. Sometimes I can get really, really, really mad, really pissed, more like. So, sorry, but I did it. I'm still thinking of going to the afternoon walk after I get back home from work. It's such a nice, beautiful day. There are a couple of clouds. Can you even see? Does it even focus? I can't even see the screen because it's so effing bright. So yeah, it's a beautiful day, and I know that the kids are gonna be outside when I'm gonna get there, and let's just hope they will run in circles so they will get tired, because when they are tired they sleep. There is one kid missing today that's causing me problems as well while it's nap time, but the second one returned, so quid pro quo, something like that. You lose one, you gain one. But with me, with pounds, is I lose 1 pound, I gain 2 pounds. And Wednesday is done. Not quite, there's still a Rubik's class, but work-wise, I'm done. I need both hands for this. I'm sorry, but there was a cyclist on the road, an old cyclist, and you can imagine how they drive. More on the road than on the side of the road. So, yeah. Anyway, work done is work part of the day is done. There is only workout left to do. I think I'm gonna go for a walk, even though it's a bit colder than it was yesterday. But I think I'm gonna go. And then to aerobics class. My phone's empty, so I can't even check if the video was actually uploaded. First world problem. Whatever. My problem number one is empty battery on my phone. And the computer that's making I don't know what with me. Making fun out of me. I hate my phone. Have I told you that I hate my phone? Sometimes. But I mean, it's the battery was alive, I think 3-4 days, something like that. I think I unplugged it in Monday, so I don't know. I'll see. And again, I'm still still thinking of buying the iPhone 6 128 giga, because there's only one problem with the phone that I own right now, and that is not enough space. Because of the navigation system that I put on iGo, I'm a bit short with memory. And unfortunately that program doesn't run from the SD card, but straight from the phone. So problems, big problem. Anyway, it's sunny day and I'm gonna use it the best way I can. As I said, afternoon walk is happening right now. I did ask my dad if he wants to come along, and since he brought some wood logs from the forest today, he's dealing with that. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but it's super windy, more than it was yesterday, and of course you have a feeling that it's colder than it should be. So yeah, but the weather's still nice. My mom went to my grandma's place, so I can go and stop by there as well if I want to, but I don't think I will, because I still have the aerobics class today and I still need to eat something, because my mom already pre-prepared something for me. I'm just gonna finish it up when I get home, and yeah, that's my life. I'm walking faster like I did yesterday. I was walking faster than usual, because if I want to start with running in the spring, I gotta pre-prepare my body for faster tempo, for faster heartbeat and everything. That's something I've heard somewhere. Don't ask me where, because I don't know. And it's time for my second, no, actually it's the third workout of the day, because the first one was actually work, because I'm on my feet all day, almost all day, except when we're eating, I'm sitting. So, and then I had a walk, and now this. Yeah, it's basically the third workout of the day. And I can't wait. I'm full of energy. Then I'm gonna fall asleep mid-editing again. Well, it's bedtime. I got home from my aerobics class. It was amazing. It was great. But I'm tired. And before I can officially go to bed, I have to give you today's question of the day. Today's question is: what new word have you learned? No new words were learned today on my end, but I can teach you one in my language. Good night in Slovenian language is equal is lahko noč. Night is noč. And I'm gonna put the writings here, but you write in the comments down below a new word that I can learn. Okay? Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and good night. Lahko noč.